While COVID spread through the human population over the last 2 years, how has it affected the animal population, particularly those in close quarters? Tyler's Caldwell Zoo hasn't had any cases among its animals, so our Alan Casper visited to find out what it's doing to keep them safe.
At this point, we haven't had a need to test. We haven't had any animals with symptoms consistent with COVID. We just are prepared for an outbreak if it occurs. Fortunately, we haven't had to face that yet. We had a lot of exhibits that were already distanced from the public, and those that weren't, we created those, and that helped. Biosecurity is always a top priority out here, so we did have to change just a few things for this additional threat. But a lot of our risk mitigation steps were in place already. Some more important ones are ensuring the optimal nutrition and housing of these animals and preventative medicine just to keep them as healthy as possible. And then another key part is the exceptional animal care staff here, because they know their animals, they're vigilant for any changes, and they alert us to anything that might be a warning sign. If we have an animal that has any kind of symptoms, or even off its food, acting abnormal, acting lethargic, or not behaving normally, that just turns everybody's attention to that animal and the animals around that one that might have contact to pay closer attention.
Okay, let's go see the elephants and the giraffes.
Administration gives us the tools, care staff gives us the information, and then we prepare to respond. Fortunately, we haven't been tested that way.
Buchanan says COVID cases in animals have only been reported in mammals, and they've only been spread from humans to animals and not from animals to humans or to other animals.